Hello everyone, welcome to today's short and sweet gentle stretch yoga practice. We're going to just sit wherever you are right now. I'm in Panama, this beautiful place with so many beautiful flowers and greenery and plants and beautiful birds, and I hope you can hear some of them. So let's just sit here and roll our shoulders back. And just see if you want to stretch a little bit, maybe the neck, side to side, up and down, just gently. Maybe listen to the sounds around you. Listen to the sounds around me. Birds, people, the wind. And close your eyes if you like, or keep them open. Whatever feels good right now. And find your breath. Breathing in through the nose. Maybe exhaling out the mouth. Bring your hands out a little bit outside of you. Take a deep inhale. Lift your arms up to the sky. And exhale. Let's do that one more time. Deep inhale, lift. And exhale. Let's do that one last time, and then we're taking it into a side stretch. Inhale, lift. Right hand to one side, and just take it into a nice little side stretch here. Let it feel good. Doesn't have to look a certain way. Maybe look up or down, play here, whatever you need. And then again, take a deep inhale, lift. Take it all the way over to the other side and stretch, 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 stretch. Make sure your hips are on the mat. Again, inhale, lift up, come down, and other side here. Again, inhale in the middle, exhale, other side. One more time, deep inhale. Exhale, other side. I'm breathing for you as well, the fresh air of the woods. Inhale here in this tropical forest that I'm in. One last time, deep inhale. Exhale and just stay here for 1 second. Come back a little bit and place your hand on the opposite knee. Okay, make yourself tall. Make yourself tall, inhale. Maybe look back a little bit, just a tiny bit, not too much, no need. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So inhale, lift yourself up and twist gently. Shoulders down. Bring it back to the middle. Place your hands on your knees. Take a deep inhale and arch your back and take it into a seated cat-cow. And exhale, round. Inhale into cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. And again, let's do this a few more times at a pace that feels really good to you, or you can follow mine. But just keep breathing while you're doing it. Inhale, 1, 2. Exhale, 1, 2. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Good. Bring yourself back to the middle. Now let's stretch one leg out. Hopefully you can see all of my leg. I'm going to turn it around just in case. So right leg stretched, and the left leg, cross it over to the right of your right knee. So close to your knee, or wherever it lands is fine. And sit on your sit bones, around the back, and then grab your left knee with your right elbow crease. Deep inhale, make yourself tall, and again, take maybe a little bit of a longer twist here. Inhale, look around, wherever you are. One more breath. Come back to the middle, and let's stretch out the legs in between here. So stretch them out. Again, find your sit bones. And then same thing, other side. Right foot outside of the left knee. Inhale, hug your right knee with your left elbow crease. Inhale and twist. Those of you who know me, who practice with me, know that my left or rights are not always great. So just do the other side. And it's fine. We don't need to be perfect. Not you, not me, not anyone. Just enjoy this twist. One more deep inhale through the nose. And release. Bring it back to the middle. Stretch your legs. Again, maybe you point the toes towards the ceiling or the sky. Again, find your sit bones flat back here. And let's see if you can have a little bend on your knees. Place your hands on the floor and start just see where you end up today. And just fold. A little bit yin yoga style. Just let the body find where it feels comfortable or where it wants to be just for a little bit. And you can relax your head. Deep inhale. And exhale. One more time, deep inhale. And exhale. Let's do this one last time together. Inhale. And exhale. And slowly, slowly walk yourself back. There's a little spider here on my mat. Hello. Place your hands behind you and bend your knees and place your feet on the ground mat, wherever you are. Hip width apart here. So we're going to just take it into a gentle up reverse table. So deep inhale here, round the shoulders back and lift your hips up to the sky. Lift, lift, lift. Make sure your knees don't cave in or come out too much. I like to think about 11 o'clock with my legs. Inhale here, and you can push down a little bit more, lift the hips a little bit more. Keep your head where it is, or if you want, you can drop it if that feels comfortable for you. It's nice to see the forest upside down. A little bit more, push, push up to the sky, to the ceiling. If you have your head dropped, just start to look towards your knees and just bring everything down and sit back on your mat or the floor. And stretch your legs one more time. Good. Let's just shake it out. All right, everyone. So let's bring our feet together and make our way into a all fours position. So stay here with your hips over your knees and your shoulders over your wrists. Okay, from here we're going to just take our hips, side to side. I don't know if you've heard that crack, but let's just take the hips side to side. Whatever feels good here, right? So if you want to do bigger things, feel free. It's your practice, remember. And keep going just for a couple of seconds here. Okay, and then bring it back into all four. Let's do just a little bit for the core here and the arms. So bring your left foot back towards you and lift it up. Ooh, I just realized this mat is really thin. So place something under your left knee. If you're struggling with that, you can also be on your toes if you like. So let's just find a balancing tabletop position. Hold. Really extend your foot back. Hold it here for a little bit. Just hold, nothing else to do. Inhale. Exhale and bring it back. Again, if you want to do something funky here in between, feel free. And the other one, and then lift again. Lift, 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 hold, hold. Inhale, exhale. One more second, inhale. Exhale, bring it back, and just come back into child's pose for a second. Breathing, relaxing your shoulders, your elbows on the mat or the floor, wherever you are. Just hold it here. And then lift your hips up. Come back into all fours. Tuck your toes under you. Let your belly come towards your navel a little bit here. So belly in a little bit. You can still breathe, but you're holding just a very tiny, bracing the core here, the abs specifically. And from here, you're just going to lift into a bear pose here. Lifting the knees off the mat, trying to keep the head pointing forward, the crown of the head pointing forward. Press your hands down, hold for 3, breathe. Can you hold for 2 more? And 1 more. Good. Bring your knees down and step back into child's pose again. Stretch your arms this time here and come up into the tips of your fingers here. Really stretching actively the arms. Maybe the head comes down a little bit. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. We're almost done here in this short, gentle yoga stretch practice. Bring it back into all fours. Good. Now we're going to just come back and sit on the mat again. I'm going to sit like this in front of you. Let's open up the hips just a little bit, but first let's place our feet down on the mat and take it into a windshield wiper motion. Your hands behind you. Just take this into side to side. Just a little gentle stretch in the tropical forest. And I thank you for being here and for allowing me to share this very special moment in my homeland here with you. Okay, good. Let's bring the soles of the feet together into a butterfly pose here. Could be a little bit forward. Head doesn't have to be so close to you, so just a comfortable space here. And let's just flap the wings a little bit, feeling the hips today. And you can do whatever you like with your neck, side to side, or whatever feels good here. Inhale and exhale. You can stop the flapping. Inhale and just take it a little bit forward if it's comfortable for you. If you want to stay up, that's more than fine as well. Just stay here, feeling the hips, maybe the legs, maybe the feet, maybe the back. Just sit here for a second. Breathing. And slowly, slowly start to come back. Find a comfortable position to just end this practice today. Could be like this or any other position. You can even lie down in Shavasana if that's what you like. But today we're just going to finish up here in a seated position. So sit really, really tall. Imagine somebody's drawing you up with your head. There's a string here and someone's holding you up. Roll the shoulders back, hands on the knees. And let's breathe. If you're outside, just breathe in some fresh air, feeling the maybe slight cooler air when you breathe in, and a slightly warmer air as you breathe out. If you're inside, of course, just breathe the same way. But if you're outside, maybe you can enjoy some nature sounds as well, just like I'm doing. Hearing the wind, the birds, the people too. Stay here for 2 more breaths. You can even place your hands somewhere by your heart, or one in your heart, one in the belly. Here comes the wind. One more time, just like that. Now let's end the same way we started, with our hands just outside, just beside the body. Take a deep inhale, lift up to the sky. And then bring everything down to your heart center. And thanking yourself for showing up here today with me. Thank you for letting me share this short but sweet practice. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you feel good.